Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Leela Ike excited for solo debut at Reggae Sumfest. The I Spy singer is ready to share her greatest gift at Reggae Sumfest, marking her return to the stage after 7 years. The singer first graced the Sumfest stage back in 2019 when she made an appearance during Protege's set with an impressive performance. Now with a second chance to thrill the crowd, Leela Ike shared with E Prime that she is excited to share her body of work with her own set.
Oh my God, that's like one of the most exciting things to me right now. I've never performed at Sumfest before with just like as a solo artist. I've done it before with Protege, so you know, I'm really looking forward to presenting my music for the first time in 7 years.
Tosh Alexander makes movie debut in Love Offside. Known for her sultry vocals and striking looks, the Might Think Different singer, Tosh Alexander, is taking on a new challenge: acting. She makes her film debut as Leah in Love Offside, a Lab Studios production starring alongside US actors Judy Johnson and Tyler Perry's straw breakout Mike Merrill. In an interview with E Prime, she shared that this wasn't her first shot at acting. After a previous setback, she submitted a new audition, only to impress the producers and land the role.
I was in the UK at the time on the way to the radio station, and we got on FaceTime, and I did my script there, and they told me they'd contact me. And a couple of days after, they're like, hey, we actually want you for this role. Would you be able to come to Jamaica by the end of the week? And I said sure, and I went to Jamaica. And upon arriving, they also set me up with an acting coach via FaceTime. I had her for a couple of days, you know, 2 different appointments, and yeah, just fully got into the role, and the rest is history.
With a mostly American cast, the singer said she was thrilled to bring her Jamaican flair to the screen while determined to bring her best performance to the fore.
My boyfriend in the film is from an American background, so he has an American accent. So I think it was really cool, the juxtaposition of hearing him speak and then hearing me coming up with my patois, right? So I just felt really good representing the very Jamaican girly.
Even bigger, producers later asked to feature her music on the film soundtrack.
You know, I submitted like 8, and I was expecting, I said at least 1. Hopefully they choose 1. And they ended up choosing 2. So I never expected it to come like this. In my mind, they're separate worlds, right? Singing will be one over here and then acting will be over here. But they showed me that moment how both of them coincided simultaneously. And it was just, honestly, as I said, I couldn't even put that together. Like, I couldn't even think of that.
Her tracks Out of Touch and Sweetest Addiction make up the soundtrack. Set in the world of rugby, bush medicine and second chances, Love Offside is a Jamaican romance drama directed by Dale S. Lewis. The cast also includes Victoria Rowell, Sandra Oakley, and Carly McIntyre. The film premiered last Friday at the American Black Film Festival. Alexander recalled the surreal moment.
I kept on hearing, we cannot believe this is your first feature film. Your craftsmanship, your rhythm, your confidence on camera. It looks like you've been doing this forever. So I was very happy and humbled to get the feedback from people that this is what they do day to day. Because I did not take it for granted.
She also revealed that she is open to more acting roles. The film is also set to premiere right here in Jamaica. Can't wait. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.